What up, fam? Chi-Chi here. You can cue the Britney, Free Britney track. I think I did it again. We are back with yet another Brandon Blackwood unboxing. If you judging my choices, you should. But yes, I have yet another unboxing from Brandon Blackwood. He's been getting all of my money, and I've just been wanting his stuff. So, of course, stock card. You guys have seen this. If this is your first time, let me go through it for you. It does come in the box. You also get this this stock card. I don't know why mine's a little dirty, but okay. Weird, but here's the stock card that you get with every purchase, and your product will come in its very own dust bag. And then here's the bottom of the box. I don't know if you care to see the bottom of the box, but I am showing it to you. Let me try to be very nice about this unboxing. So the reason why I wanted this particular item is because I'm waiting for the fall stuff to drop, but I want something fall appropriate to wear. I do have a couple of bags, you know, that I can wear. I got my ESR tote. I have a couple of colors, but this bag I really wanted. It's a different silhouette, and I just wanted to try it. So this is how it came packaged. Y'all know how I feel about this packaging, but it's okay. If I start my own line, I get to make those decisions. But I ended up getting Sylvia. How do you call your lover boy? Oh, hold on, I got a piece of paper right here. So this is the Sophia bag. This is the standard Sophia bag in this luscious suede CROC embossed green color. And my goodness, my freaking goodness. First of all, it smells divine. Yep, that smells like suede right there. Ooh, but look at her, get into her. It does have silver hardware, and the Brandon Blackwood logo is bam right at the bottom. Silver hardware is not your girl's gig, but this is what it came with. But you have your magnetic clasp opening on both sides. Let's get her undressed. Air paper, love that for me. Let's break her down. So inside, is this suede? No, this doesn't feel like suede. Let me pull up his website so I can tell y'all what's really going on with this bag. The outside is cowhide leather, and the inside is micro suede lining. So this is a micro suede. So this is actually, to me, it feels like suede. It's a suede leather. Leather is a suede. Suede is a leather. So that's what we're gonna roll with. But it is a micro suede interior lining, and then inside we have a zippered compartment. On that zipper you do have a pull tab with that same suede material. The zipper compartment is pretty long. I don't feel like it's super deep though. It might be the full height of the bag. Nah, I don't know. I feel like it stops just a little bit short to the base of the bag, but that's okay. What I didn't know is that you have this kind of slit pocket right at the front, which is kind of nice. Let me try to get up close to you. You see right here, it's a slit pocket. I can do some things with this slit pocket right here, because I hate when a bag is so compartmentalized and they put a slit pocket right in the center. And to me, it kind of limits what you can put in. So having this extra little pocket, I'm here for that. Like, I feel like almost like this is a secret compartment. That's pretty dope. Look at that, honey. Oh, girl. Oh, girl. We gonna do some things. Now, I'm not gonna front with y'all. Something is on this bag. I don't know if it's the paper that's stuck to like the glazing, but like on my corner, you can see that white part right here. that's a part of that paper. If you do have glazing, sometimes it will stick to that. I'm sure I can get that off with a little bit of patience and a little bit of something. This is why I don't like when the bag and the tissue paper touch. I'd rather just this be in the dust bag. My own personal qualms with that. Future Chi-Chi here just cleaned off that corner with a very, very lightly damp paper towel, and it came right off, just so you guys know. But it is a shoulder bag, and then shablam, you can pull it up to a nice longer shoulder bag. I highly doubt my big old self can crossbody this where it's not like sitting up. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. I mean, it's okay. If I need to crossbody it, I have the option, but I already know that this is going to be a shoulder bag for sure for me. But if you didn't know, there are feet on the bottom. They do come protected, so you just pull these little rubber feet off. I love this little detail. The feet are the same color as the hardware, as it should be, but this little rubber feet thing, I love this. It seems as though the feet do come down a little bit lower than the actual square part, so that is a plus, because sometimes it doesn't make sense to put feet on a bag like this if the front and back are acting as feet, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, but I really wanted to get this bag for fall because his fall drop is coming, but it's not going to be pre-order, and I don't know how it's really going to be worked out. I don't know when I'm gonna get the bag, okay? But I wanted a fall bag, something that I can transition into winter. And I saw this bag. I've been looking at it since it originally dropped, and I was like, you know, I'm not 100% there yet, but I was just like, you know what? Screw it. I'm just gonna buy the bag. And of course, when I got this bag, guess what sneak peek picture he put up? He put this bag up with gold hardware. So for my gold hardware lovers out there, the fall collection, they will have this style of bag with gold hardware. If your girls just waited a little bit longer, you know, I could have had me this bag in gold hardware because I'm a gold hardware girl. But with this particular color, the silver hardware works, and I'm okay with that. If the hardware is silver, depending upon the color of the bag, I'm like, that actually works a lot better than gold. And for this color bag, yeah, I can't see this with gold at all because this green is on the cooler side. So I just don't see gold really enhancing this particular bag. Now, if this was a deep emerald, oh honey, she would need to be gold. The chains feel decent. It's not hella heavy like my Gucci bag, because the only thing in my collection relatively shaped like this is my Gucci bag, but it's not as nearly as heavy, so it does feel nice on the shoulder. I'll do a full review. You guys know I'm always come through with a review. Ooh, bars. But what I do like off top is how flat the chains are. So you can kind of see how it links. It's flat, so it lays almost like a necklace. It lays really flat, and I don't think I've seen a lot of chains that are very flat like this. I'm digging this whole magnetic closure, so I ain't got to worry about, you know, people dipping into the bag. But it's decently strong. Like, that's pretty good. Now, of course, it will vary once you start putting stuff in it, but I do have to use a little bit of force to pull it up. So I'm happy with that. I'm very, very happy with that. I am glad that this pull tab is finished, because unlike the Sil bag, the Sil is just cut, you know, and I feel like it was really unfinished. This one, the pulls feel finished, and I like that. This bag comes in a couple of colors, so if this green isn't your gig, you definitely have a couple of colors to choose from. And she also has a little sister. It does come in the mini size, The only reason why I didn't get the mini is because I don't think I could fit my phone in there. And for me, that's just, I gotta really like F with you if I can't fit my phone in there. So she does have a little sister, but in the little sister color, I'm calling it a little sister color. They have this beautiful copper color. If that copper color came in this size, I would have 100% grabbed. I would have grabbed it. But it's something about this color. I was just like, I need a little bit more variety. I want green. Green is like probably my second favorite color. Blue is top spot, but green is right under there. But I really, really do love the color of this bag. This bag feels good. It smells good. It's not hella heavy, and it got feet on it. I am going to do maybe a little video about his fall collection and tell you guys what I like and what I don't like and what, you know, I'm going to be purchasing. But until then, check out some of my other videos and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.